Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add glow effects in CapCut PC. So here I'm going to show you how you can get the glow and also apply the glow effects to tags. First, let's just head into tags at the top. Add the default tags in here. I'm going to just add dot to the text box. Adjust the font size. I'm going to make it bigger and put it in the center like this. And then you can just go down in here until you find the glow options. So enable the glow. Then you can choose whether you want to add the first glow effect or this one. Here you can also change the color of the glow like this. Now let's try with tags on it. Here, let's delete this one. I'm going to make it smaller first. Let's write glow, glowing tags. Let's adjust the size. And this is how it will look like. So you can change the text color and also the glow itself. So for the text, let's go with pink, and for the glow in here, I'm going to change into white. So this is how it will look like. You can also adjust the intensity and range in here. So that's pretty much all. That's how you can create a glow effects in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. I'll see you all in the next tutorial.